are you? Regarding the guide layer, what is the guide layer? Actually, I will tell you later. Basically, this guide layer is will guide you in background if you want to follow some path, right? So this kind of work, if we want to do, we are using the guide layer. First, I will show you the practical part, then I will come for the theoretical part. Actually, what I want to make a animation will move based on my pre-specified path. Okay, so what I want the animation will work based on pre-specified path. So what I am going to do first here, I am going to take one circle. So this is the one circle I am going to take. So this is the circle. Okay, circle I take. When we are going to do the animation, first we have to convert this into symbol, and here I am going to choose movie clip. If you want to give the name of this symbol, you can give, otherwise no problem, click OK. So this is the circle is here. What I want to move this circle in this direction, this, like the wave it will go. So for this I am going to take one layer, and this layer is called motion guide layer. This is the, generally it is saying that the guide layer. Click this, the one guide layer will be available here. In this guide layer, what I will do, I will draw the path through the pencil. I will take the pencil and I will draw the path how my animation will move. So what I want, it will come here, it will go down, then it will go up, it will go again down, then it will go up, and it will go down, and it will come here, and it will stop here. Okay, this I want. Okay, the next step is I want up to frame 40. So I will select both the frame and I will insert the keyframe. What I will insert? I will insert the keyframe. How to insert the keyframe? Either you click the F6 key or right click, insert keyframe. Okay, insert keyframe. Here is our this is the last place. So what I will do, I will put in the last, I will put my this ball to the last place here. This is the place where I want my ball. Okay, when our frame will be on the first place at the starting, I want this in this place. Okay, got it? And now what I will do, I will create the right click, create motion twin, so that automatically it will, animation will move smoothly. Right click, create motion twin, and see this, this is working fine. See this. Okay, now line is there. When I will run this from the control and test movie, you will see the line what I draw from the pencil, it will not be available, and my animation is working based on my pre-specified path. If you want, you can try this, and this is a kind of a home task for you, homework for you. You make it and you give any kind of specific path, and it must work. Now come to the theoretical part. come to the theoretical part. Actually, I did not explain the theoretical part before. The one is keyframe and another is frame. If you see here, this is the timeline, and always we are inserting the keyframe. So let us give you difference between frame and keyframe. We know this is the timeline and this is the frame 1 2 3 4 5, like this is up to the 50 or 40 is the frame. Insert frame means it will insert the empty frame. But what I want, I do not want to insert the empty frame. I want to insert keyframe. Keyframe means in every frame our animation, the object must be available. So if you want to object in all the frames, we need to insert the keyframe. Come here in the theoretical part. A keyframe is a frame where a chance occur in the timeline. Because property keyframe let you produce animation without drawing each individual frame. If you are not going to choose the keyframe, then every frame you have to put the object. This is basically the keyframe. Now about the motion tween. You know, I'm doing the motion tween. If you remember, after doing all the things, I was clicking the right and I was doing the motion tween. What is the motion tween? Motion tween is the feature of Adobe Flash that allow you to easily animate the motion of an object. Let us give you one example. See this is the manual one. It is going, this is actually not the manual is not, this is the motion tween. Motion tween is like very smooth, it will go, it will come. If you will see in the manual, let us show you one manual without the motion tween. Let us add one new Flash document. In this document I am going to take one circle. Okay, in this circle up to the 40 frame I am going to add the keyframe, insert the keyframe, and the last before inserting the keyframe, let us make this as a convert into the symbol. I am going to make it the graphic, and in the 35 I am going to make it the insert the keyframe, and this I want, select it, and this I want in this place. Okay, and now you see this, see that when we are moving this at the last they are going, smooth is not there. If you go to the control and if you test the movie, nothing is there now. See, one time coming after the 12 second and going, smoothness is not there. So if you want to make the smoothness, right click and create motion tween. So this is the motion tween available here in the, this is the motion tween. So if we want our animation work smoothly, then we have to convert into the motion tween. Okay, so let us make it the motion tween here. Right click, create motion tween, and now if you will go to the control and test the movie, see the smoothly our animation is moving smoothly. This is the use of motion tween. This kind of objective question will be available in your mid exam, right? So be careful, listen the video carefully, and the important points what I am telling to you, please note down. Okay, and now come to the next about the a guide layer. What I told you, what I explained to you some time before, this is the guide layer here. This is the guide layer, basically used to guide. Okay, so what is the guide layer? A guide layer is a layer that invisible in the final it will be invisible. For example, if you are going to run this, whatever I draw, it will be invisible. Okay, so it is invisible here. Invisible published Flash animation. You can use guide layer to several purposes. For example, animation, you can place a path on a guided layer to control the motion of an object during the animation. Because basically used for what purpose? This is basically used to control the movement where you want to move your object. Okay, so this is about the guided layer. So I think it is clear what is the keyframe, what is the motion tween, what is a guide layer, and what is the frame. Keyframe, do not confuse, both are different thing. Okay, so this is the practical about layer. So in this week what you do, I will write some question. Last video I explained to you about the multiple layers, work with multiple layers. Here also we have the multiple layer, and here we have the guide layer, and the next video I will tell you about the masking. Okay, thank you very much.